Biomed Nexus Daily updates your essential biotech, medtech, and pharma recap. No noise, just what matters. TLDR GTC 2026 kicks off. Roche claims pharma's largest GPU footprint, 3,500 plus Blackwell chips. Lilly showcases LillyPod. Jensen Huang keynote sets AI in pharma tone rhythm PDUFA Friday. IMCIVRE decision for acquired hypothalamic obesity lands. March 20th, ACIP meets Thursday, Kennedy-era committee to debate COVID vaccine injuries. Well, 30 states have already decoupled from CDC guidance ACIP PDUFA next week. Alpha Sigma controlled asset gets FDA verdict March 24th. Executive takeaway: the pharma GPU arms race went vertical yesterday. Roche announced 2076 new Blackwell GPUs, bringing its total to 3,500 plus, claiming the industry's largest compute footprint. Lilly countered that its LillyPod 1016 Blackwell Ultra chips is the most powerful wholly owned AI factory in biopharma. Different benchmarks, same message. Wet lab throughput is no longer the bottleneck. Dry lab simulation is. The companies running the biggest models fastest will compress discovery timelines, or at least that's the bet. Diogo Rao's warning at Lilly's launch is worth remembering. The hype is actually a serious threat to the research itself. Read full analysis, what to watch date event, why it matters, March 18-19 ACIP meeting, virtual. First Kennedy-era meeting with COVID vaccine injury agenda. AAP lawsuit pending March 20 rhythm. IMCIVRE PDUFA acquired hypothalamic obesity, SNDA, phase 3, showed 16.5%. BMI reduction March 24 GSK, Alpha Sigma. Linerixibat, PDUFA cholestatic, pruritus in PBC, Gliston. Phase 3 hit endpoints March 26 Novo Nordisk AGM board elections amid 34%. Holdings asset decline. GLP-1 defense under scrutiny, March 28 Rocket Pharma. Kresladi PDUFA lad eye gene therapy, 100% OS at 12 months. PRV eligible. Today's top story pharma's GPU arms race escalates at GTC 2026. NVIDIA's annual GPU technology conference opened in San Jose yesterday with a pharma subplot. Roche and Lilly are now locked in a compute capacity measuring contest. Roche, March 16th, deployed 2,176 new NVIDIA Blackwell GPUs across US and European sites. Combined on-premise plus cloud footprint now exceeds 3,500 GPUs, claims greatest announced GPU footprint available to a pharmaceutical company, using BioNeMo platform for biological foundation models, Omniverse for manufacturing digital twins. One application already live, digital twin of Roche's new GLP-1 manufacturing facility in North Carolina. Lilly, announced Feb 26, showcased at GTC. LillyPod uses 1016 Blackwell Ultra GPUs in a DGX SuperPod, claims most powerful AI factory, wholly owned and operated by a pharmaceutical company, 9,000 plus petaflops of AI performance. Built in 4 months in Indianapolis dry lab, can simulate billions of molecular hypotheses simultaneously versus 2,000 molecules a year in traditional wet labs. The gap with hyperscalers remains vast. xAI's Colossus cluster runs 500,000 plus GPUs. Meta's Louisiana facility is targeting millions. But within pharma, the GPU build-out is accelerating. Roche, Lilly, and Recursion now collectively deploy 5,000 plus chips. What matters for investors? Neither company has tied a specific clinical candidate to its AI infrastructure yet. The first credible AI-discovered, AI-accelerated approval will be the proof point. Until then, these are expensive positioning bets. AI and Digital Health, Jensen Huang. Keynote highlights, March 16th, framed the token as the basic unit of modern AI, from scientific discovery to robotics. NVIDIA. Vera's CPU launched, purpose-built for agentic AI and reinforcement learning. NVIDIA. Vera Rubin. Platform, 7 new chips in full production for AI factory scale-up. Kimberly Powell, NVIDIA VP, Healthcare, Life Sciences. Session. Nearly 90% of eligible small molecule programs at Genentech now integrate AI-1 oncology molecule designed 25% faster. Backup candidate delivered in 7 months expects AI-assisted discovery. Benefits to materialize around 2030. Corporate developments. Trump RX expansion. GSK and Amgen formally added to TrumpRx.gov last week, bringing total to 54 medications from 6 manufacturers. Amgen offering Amgevita at 80% off retail, $299 versus $1,484. Imavig and Repatha at 62% discounts. GSK listing Incruse 55% off. Arnuity, Relenza and Anoro 10 to 51% off. Total TrumpRx participants now include Pfizer, AstraZeneca, Eli Lilly, Novo Nordisk, EMD Serono, GSK, Amgen, China. BCI milestone, March on the 13th. NMPA approved. Neurical Technologies implantable brain-computer interface. First commercial BCI approval. Globally, indicated for adults 18 to 60 with cervical spinal cord injury, quadriplegia. Coin-sized device on brain surface controls. Pneumatic glove for grasping 36 patient trial. 100% achieved home-based brain control grasp. No device-related SAEs reported. Chinese BCI funding surge. StairMed raised 72.8 medictors, Alibaba-led. Gestala raised 21.6 barrels week. Ahead, key catalysts, Wednesday, Thursday, ACIP meeting. The CDC's Advisory Committee on Immunization Practices meets virtually March 18th to 19. Agenda includes COVID-19 vaccine injuries and long COVID discussions. ACIP recommendation methodology changes potential votes on all 3 items. Context. This is the first meeting since RFK Jr. replaced all committee members last summer. The American Academy of Obstetricians and Gynecologists withdrew as a liaison member, citing concerns about cherry-picking of data. An AAP lawsuit sought to stop the meeting. And 30 states have already decoupled from CDC vaccine guidance. Friday, Rhythm, Imcivree, PDUFA, March 20th. Indication, acquired hypothalamic obesity, AHO, SNDA. Phase 3, Transcend results, 16.5%. BMI reduction, setmelanotide versus plus 2.4% placebo. At 52 weeks, 80% responders achieved 5% BMI reduction. Commercial prep, sales force expanded from 16 to 42 reps. In field, since October 2025, addressable market, with 25,000 to 28,000 patients globally. Company has identified 2,000 plus suspected diagnosed AHO patients in Tier 1 to 2 practices. Monday, GSK, Alpha Sigma, linerixibat, PDUFA, March 24th. Indication, cholestatic pruritus in primary, biliary cholangitis, PBC, Phase 3, GLISSON met primary, and key secondary endpoints, rapid, sustained improvement in itch and sleep interference. Deal structure. GSK receives 300 nolomids upfront, plus 101 FDA approval. Alpha Sigma controls post-approval commercialization, orphan drug designation, US, EU, Japan. Wednesday, Novo Nordisk AGM, March 26th. Location, Bella Center, Copenhagen, 14 CT, key. Context, Novo Holdings assets declined 34%, 160B, 107B. NVO down, Boston 24%. YTD, weaker than expected 2026 guidance, citing pricing pressure and competition board elections. All shareholder-elected members up for re-election. 3 new nominees proposed. Friday, Rocket Pharma Crisladi PDUFA, March 28th. Indication, severe leukocyte. Adhesion, deficiency. Type 1, LADI. Mechanism, lentiviral gene therapy delivering functional ITGB2 gene. Phase 1-2 data, 100% overall survival at 12 months and through entire follow-up. All primary secondary endpoints met. No treatment-related SAEs prior CRL, June 2024. CMC-related, company aligned with FDA on limited additional information. PRV eligible. If approved, Rocket receives Rare Pediatric Disease Priority Review, Voucher Read, Full Analysis Biomed, Nexus Pro. Institutional Intelligence Briefing. Today's Pro Brief, Institutional Read. Through why Roche's hybrid cloud claim and Lilly's wholly owned claim both matter and why neither proves anything yet. ACIP risk framing. Scenario analysis for Wednesday's meeting. What a vote on methodology changes could mean for vaccine reimbursement, rhythm positioning, pre-PDUFA option flows, and what the setup suggests about street expectations. Linarixibat deal anatomy. Why GSK is exiting hepatology, except HBV, MASH, ALD, and what Alpha Sigma's intercept acquisition signals about PBC market structure. Upgrade to Pro. Today read, full article selective 2026 sponsorship placements are available. Reply directly to discuss a partnership or submit an inquiry here.